they make noise, come this side.
So I came to heaven. I didn't knew that I was going to make it to heaven though. Jesus, that means if I'm in heaven, that means on earth, I have died. My enemies have finally killed me. That my neighbor has
Hey, they make noise. See, this place na heaven. Everywhere they quiet. We need the light noise for this place.
Okay. So how did I die now?
You see that woman where you see for bush where they knock?
What?
You can't they rush to go tell your husband. Now move to knock you for road. Now you just come here.
That means the man have not heard the information though of what his wife is doing. Do you have network? Let me WhatsApp him and told him that I have videos and pictures too.
Will you shut up? Aproko. See, I don't tell you for this heaven where you come. Keep your mouth shut.
Okay.
You know what I mean? When they do pra. Anything we see, keep your mouth shut.
Heaven. Something has happened.
Who they talk?
Aproko, my father.
I put a woman in charge of the garden and she has been defiled. Who has done it?
Me, I just come here. Oh. Me, I'm new here.
Silence.
Yes, sir.
Angel of light. Did you do it?
My father no be me oh. I no fit myself. I never know woman. If you ask this NDI where they do Jericho, maybe you don't go use the lady now. Go do TikTok. I don't understand.
Angel Jericho.
It's not me, oh. It's not me.
Who has done it?
Dear father, dear